Cristiano's got a man breaking on this side. This is Kellehoun. And Cristiano, what can he do? Back heels it, and they allow it to go through, and that's Cristiano's goal. And everyone will be delighted at that. The back heel of Cristiano Ronaldo, and the whole team come up, including Pepe and Sami Khedira, and the crowd are delighted with that in the 55th minute. We got the man that everyone wanted to see score, and let's take a look at it again. Cristiano Ronaldo. That's the goal, the fifth goal. Let's take a look at it here again. Lovely ball, pushed inside. Cristiano gets onto it, back heel, and did Benzema touch it? I don't think he did. We got to credit the yes, he didn't touch it. He pulled his foot away at the last minute. And the goal is going to be credited to Cristiano Ronaldo. So they